Hello! Today we are going to see how to cross-reference your survey results. To do so, go to your account in My Surveys and choose the survey you are interested in. Once you are on your survey, go to Crosstabs. You have two choices: cross two questions with one another or cross the entire questionnaire with one question. We will start by crossing two questions. You can choose the question you want to put in the column, such as gender, and the question you want to put in the row, such as the brands of shampoo purchased in the last 6 months. Click on Validate. Your crosstabulation will appear in percentages and head counts. In the top left-hand corner, you have the 429 individuals who answered the question. You also have the two questions labeled. You can export this table in Excel format. And if you wish to build a new crosstab, click on the plus icon at the top left. We will now learn how to cross the entire questionnaire with one question. Choose the question you wish to use as a column for the crosstabs. For example, choose gender and click on Validate. The crosstab file will be sent to you by email. This may take more or less time depending on the size of your questionnaire. You can also filter your crosstabs. To do so, click on the funnel icon on the left and choose the filters to be applied. For example, age and occupation. When you request a new crosstab, your crosstab is filtered. Here you have the basis, the two questions, crossed, but also the subtarget. Be careful when you ask for a new crosstab, your filters are still applied. Remember to click on All to switch back the results to total basis. Et voilà, you have all the tools you need to start analyzing your questionnaire.